When homeowners in St. James think about increasing their property value, the first things that come to mind are often kitchen remodels or new landscaping. But one surprisingly powerful upgrade that's often overlooked is door replacement. Updating your front, patio, or entry doors doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it can also directly improve your home's resale value and overall comfort. First impressions matter. The front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can give the impression that the rest of the home hasn't been maintained. On the other hand, a modern, stylish entry door makes a strong statement of quality and care. In St. James, where the real estate market can be competitive, a fresh front door immediately sets your home apart. Buyers are naturally drawn to houses that feel well kept and move-in ready. That first impression can mean the difference between a quick sale at your asking price and weeks of lingering on the market. Energy efficiency that pays off. Today's replacement doors aren't just about looks, they're designed for performance. Many older doors allow drafts, which drive up heating and cooling costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient entry or patio doors, homeowners in St. James can reduce energy bills year-round. Not only does this save money while you're living in the home, but buyers also recognize and appreciate energy-efficient features. In fact, sustainable upgrades are becoming a must-have for modern homeowners. By installing insulated, weather-sealed doors, you're giving future buyers one more reason to choose your home over another. Security and peace of mind. A home's entryways play a critical role in security. If your doors are old, warped, or have failing locks, they may not provide the level of protection your family or future buyers want. Today's replacement doors often come with advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and durable materials such as steel or fiberglass. For buyers, peace of mind is invaluable. Highlighting a recent door replacement as part of your listing can reassure prospective homeowners that the property is both secure and up to date. Aesthetic upgrade. For modern living design trends in St. James lean toward clean lines, natural light, and welcoming spaces. Replacing outdated doors with modern glass paneled options or custom wood designs can transform the feel of your home, both inside and out. Patio doors, for instance, can blur the line between indoor and outdoor living spaces, making homes feel larger and more connected to their surroundings. French doors or sliding glass doors create flow, add natural light, and increase functionality, features that buyers actively look for. High return on investment. According to National Real Estate Trends, door replacement consistently ranks as one of the highest ROI projects for homeowners. That means the money you spend on a new door often comes back to you in the form of higher resale value. In St. James, where homebuyers value curb appeal and move-in readiness, a well-chosen door replacement can yield particularly strong returns. Whether you opt for a classic wooden front door, a sleek fiberglass model, or energy-efficient sliding doors, the investment pays off in both daily comfort and future sale price. Long-term benefits for homeowners. Even if you're not planning to sell right away, replacing your doors brings immediate benefits. You'll enjoy better insulation, enhanced curb appeal, smoother operation, and greater home security. Over time, these factors improve your quality of life, and when it's time to sell, you'll already have one of the most attractive upgrades in place. Final thoughts. If you're a homeowner in St. James looking for a simple yet impactful way to boost your property's value, door replacement is a smart choice. It enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, strengthens security, and modernizes your home's style, all while delivering one of the best returns on investment. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and efficient home, replacing your doors is a practical upgrade that makes a lasting difference.